Hello guys, Standard 7, Chapter number 10, Transport of Substances in Animals and Plants. So guys, before we start this chapter, what we people will learn at the end of this chapter? So at the end of this chapter, we will learn about the transportation of food and substances in plants and in animals. So how food will be transported, how substances will be transported in plants and animals, how water moves in plants, in animals also, and why color of blood is red, what are the parts of the blood, what's about the sweat of human, how urine is made up of, how excretion, that means the waste products in plants and animals is taken out, then excretory products that we all will learn at the end of this chapter. So today, what are we going to discuss? During the playing, you have seen that due to the cutout tissues of our body, we can see red color right on our skin when we fall down or we get cut. So this is red color. What is this? So it is blood. And what is present in the blood? Same way, when we cut any of the tree या तो bark of tree, we cut it, या तो leaves, या तो any of the part of the plant, we cut it, so we can get little fluid like substance. What is present in it? And as we know, the roots of the plant absorb water, then how it is transported to the leaves? When we cut leaves, we can see that there is little water is present over there. How is possible? That we will learn. So here first topic is transport of substances. So which types of the substances and how transportation is done in plant and animals. So first of all, respiratory gases. As we know that we are inhaling oxygen in our body by the breathing process and exhaling carbon dioxide. So during the inhalation, that means कि हम जो बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं तब क्या होता है, there is oxidation process which release energy, and as a byproduct carbon dioxide will be released. As a waste product, carbon dioxide is called as waste product. Then about food. When we inhale, we take food. When we chew food, it will be transported to the stomach, and stomach break down the substances, food substances into little particles. Then these particles will be transported to the blood and it release energy. Then energy will be transported, energy will be useful for our exercise, for our regular activity. Then water and minerals. So minerals and water are useful in our plant in a different ways, right? Like water cools our body, which is helpful in excretory system. Then what is excretory products? So there are waste products in our body due to the digestion or any other chemical process whatever has been produced, right? It need to remove from the body, as like carbon dioxide या तो urine या तो solid waste we need to remove from our body. That we will learn in the videos, right? So I am sharing the link of the video how plant transport the food by xylem and phloem. Then next video will be of the activity. How can we observe the water loss from the plant due to the transpiration process? That I am also sharing the link of the video. Okay, just look at. And after both the videos, just solve this exercise. This is your today's homework. Write down answers true and false and give one words in the textbook. No need to write in fair notebook. Okay guys, thank you.